ายดีพี่น้อง Facebook YouTube people today we're gonna make mama noodle. First we boil the water and then we're gonna put this.
Mommy, she keeps adding more.
Who? Yeah, she can eat spicy.
I can't. Spicy.
I know, those sauce is good.
Where's my noodles?
Right here, look.
I need water.
And it's getting closer.
I need ice.
Yep, like that. Just like that.
I need
This is
ice.
for Anon and his friend.
But I
So I'll
need
make two of them.
ice.
Hold on.
I want ice in my cup.
Look, guys. It less than 5 minutes. This mayonnaise is easy. Here, Nona, get you some ice.
Keep boiling.
Bang.
I want big ice. Have some Coke.
Oh, yeah. See, guys? It less than 5 minutes, but this noodle is good. Let's put some seasoning on it.
Oh my god, I'm in front of my face. You see that? I see that.
When you cut seasoning, you see that all the herbs are like this side, and this is like a garlic oil on the bottom. So I will cut this side. So then when you squeeze it, the oil gonna squeeze out the seasoning. And then you get, oh, some people cut this way, but when you squeeze out, it's not, it's hard. So this is a known, I'm gonna put no pepper in there. This is a pepper, that's a seasoning. And then this is for, you put pepper, right? Joanna, I put pepper for you.
Yeah. Hey, you guys want some
And then we're gonna go see how they eat it, guys. That's for Anon's friend, that's for Anon. Mmm, I smell that. Once in a while, you guys, they want to eat this. But this noodle from Thailand, it tastes so good. Tastes different though. If you like the American ramen noodle, and wait until you try this, you'll forget about those. This one has pepper, because it's for your, what is your name? Joanna? Here's yours. Come get your noodle. Here you go. Look, that's a pepper.
Thank you. That's good.
Hey guys, this is a noodle party. Oh my god, she's done already. How many sriracha you put in there?
Like 5.
5 spoon.
Done? Oh, yes, how many spoons? Yeah.
More than 5 spoons.
This one already spicy. Lisa, what kind of yours? Oh, you put eggs on yours, but not your friend?
They never
That's
asked.
very nice. Anon, did you drink Pepsi?
Ooh, Pepsi.
Lisa.
No. Lisa,
Here's
Look
Coca-Cola.
at her. She's like big size. as
I
me. Now
actually
she wears
cannot
this
see,
shirt.
guys.
And she's like, I like this shirt. Eat it, you guys make an asthma.
I cannot see.
And none, you don't need to see. I'm gonna.
I want Pepsi so bad. My tongue burns because of that.
That's Pepsi right there.
I need a cup. Get a cup.
Is it too
and then
hot?
get the ice. No, this.
Oh.
I added too much.
No, but this has a pepper too.
I'm sorry for your toilet.
You don't eat spicy?
Where's the remote?
Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this mama noodles.
This little video.
Ramen noodle.
I feel bad for their toilets.
Why?
Lisa.
I said pang na look. Wipe your mouth na look.
I feel bad for their toilets. Why? Cause I feel bad. Like really bad.
Explode. And don't eat your noodles.
I am.
No, you drink Pepsi.
What you want to do? Nothing.
Maybe it's too hot.
Maybe it's too pretty.
Oh yeah, it's very hot.
Now I cool down.
Yeah. Put ice on it.
Ice. I was like, wait, what?
Okay guys, thank you for watching. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Thank you for watching you guys. I hope you enjoy Noi Big channel.